And let's begin with some breaking news that's coming in at this point in time. Speaking exclusively to Times Network, the IG of Anti-Terrorism Squad said 2 Al-Qaeda terrorists have been arrested from Lucknow's Kakori area. They were being prepared to be used as human bombs. The ATS has also recovered explosives, and the search for more terrorists is currently underway.
बॉम्ब की धमकी थी या कुछ था जो अवॉइड किया गया?
नहीं, ये ऑपरेशन काफी लंबे समय से हमें सूचना मिल रही थी, जिसको डेवलप किया गया और आज इसमें चूंकि ये डेस्परेट से बहुत जल्दी कोई घटना को अंजाम देने के लिए, इसलिए ये ऑपरेट किया गया, जिसमें 2 लोगों को अभी पकड़ा गया जो अलकायदा के एक्टिव मेंबर्स हैं और उसमें विस्फोटक सामग्री मिली है, जिसमें जो आईईडी है वो बरामद हुआ है, वेपन बरामद हुए और भी सामग्री बरामद हुई है और अभी सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रहा है, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ और जो इनके साथी थे उनके भागने की जानकारी इन्होंने दी है पीछे की तरफ से जी। और बाकी की अभी जानकारी डिटेल मिलने पर और बताएंगे आपको।
कोई क्या हमला होने की आपको लग रहा है कि प्लानिंग थी?
नहीं, इनका जो प्लान अभी ये बता रहे हैं, कहीं पे इनको जो इनको बॉम्ब था वो प्लान करना था या अब इनका क्या प्लान था ये अभी इनसे पूछताछ करके मिलेगा। जो हमारा इनपुट था ये भी था कि ये मानव बम भी बन सकते थे, लेकिन अभी जब पूरी जानकारी मिलेगी उसके बाद ये सब चीजें आपको बताई जाएंगी।
जी ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
The IG ATS whom we spoke to has clearly said that there were at least a couple of people who might have accompanied the 2 suspects who have been arrested and that they escaped perhaps from the back entrance to the house. Therefore, a full search operation has been launched by the UP ATS as well as the UP police team here to nab these suspects who might have escaped the house. For now, they are questioning the 2 suspects who have been arrested in detail to know, more details about the kind of terror plot that these suspects had hatched. But yes, the IG, the manner in which he has explained to us the planning that went behind this perhaps terror plot is something that is very, very detailed. These people have been here for quite some time. The UP ATS had also been trailing them for the last almost couple of months. And during this period, they found out that they were in touch with their handlers, perhaps on the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan. The fact that at least 2 pressure cooker bombs have been recovered from here with about 6 to 7 kgs of explosives points towards the fact that this could be a very, very serious terror plot. Also the fact that they were in the process of perhaps launching the attack in the near future, which is why a small blast perhaps happened here, which came into the knowledge of ATS, after which they swooped down upon this particular house. We are being told that this house is owned by one Shahid, who's been living here for the last 15 years or so, and that there is a particular motor garage as well within the premises of this particular house. These are the details that have come out so far about the kind of people who are living here. Of course, after a detailed questioning by the UP police and ATS, more details will emerge out of it as to which perhaps was the location wherein this team was planning to launch an attack, what had to be their target. But yes, the fact that these people were to be converted into human bombs makes it very, very serious. And this is a fact that has been acknowledged by the IG ATS here, in the conversation that he had with us. So this is perhaps the first time that a human bomb was to be launched from UP state capital Lucknow, because the only recent connection with any terror plot was found way back in 2017 March, about 4.5 years back, when one terror suspect was neutralized by the UP police and ATS. Since then, it has been particularly quiet, and there have been no sleeping terror modules that have been discovered in especially Lucknow and adjoining areas.